Hey, it's Jack with your monthly Plymouth real estate market update. Let's take a look at what sold in Plymouth single-family homes in September 2021. Let's first take a look at average sales price. Your average sales price in Plymouth remains very high, basically unchanged from the month before. $563,000 for your average single-family home price in Plymouth. I know that's staggering. We've kind of been headed up that way for a while, and we've had a couple bumps and bruises along the way, but the trend is up for sure, and it seems sustained at this point. 550, 560-ish, your average single-family home in Plymouth. I know it's astounding, but that's what it is. Good news for sellers as well. And sellers tend to be getting, again, above list price. September, 103% of the list price they were getting. So once again, just to make it simple, if the house was listed for $100,000, the sellers would be getting 103. So this advising for buyers is very, very important here. If the max you can spend is say $450, you need to be looking at houses that are listed at $420, $425, because those $425 houses are going to be bid up to 3% above that $425 price. So you've got to think about that. If your maximum price is $450 and you're looking at houses that are priced at $450, those are going to get bid up $460, $470, and you're going to miss out on those. So you've got to understand that the list price is the opening bid if you're a buyer. It's very, very important to understand. You would think that, they'll give you a little discount off the list price. No, those days are long gone. Maybe you get a little something, but on average, you actually have to pay more than the list price. This is really good news for sellers, not so good for buyers. Slightly good news for buyers is that the number of days that houses are on the market went up a little bit in September. And this is the first time it's gone up to over 20 days since March, so basically 6 months, I think. In September, days to offer, 24 days, so just a little bit more than 3 weeks. You put your house in the market, and you'd accept an offer on average in 24 days. That's a little bit of an uptick, and it's a little bit longer than it had been. We had been as low as, I think, like 11 days. So business is still very brisk, might not be flying off the shelves, but still very, very brisk. And overall, great news for sellers. And last month we had pretty strong sales number, 81, just down from 85 the month before. The trend for number of sales is going up. We're definitely off the number from a year ago. We were at like 115 or so. And overall, 81 sales is not a lot, historically speaking, but it's going up better than it was in the depth of winter, January and February, when we were down to like 30 or something sales. So doing pretty good there. By the way, I'm really happy to say that our agents at our office contributed to this 81 number. In fact, we had the best month for our agency overall, statewide, that we've ever had. I'm really happy about that, and congratulations to our agents that made it happen. So what's on the market at the beginning of this month? 53 homes. Remember, this changes every day, but we just picked the first of the month as a reference point, and 53 homes. That's not a lot. Just for kicks, I went back a decade ago and found out what it was October 1st, 2011, in the depth of the financial crisis, you might remember. Yeah. And that was 450-something homes. So, yeah, that's a big difference. And right now, we're in a massively seller's market. 450 single-family homes available in Plymouth. That's a buyer's market. I think the equilibrium is somewhere around the 200 range, where it's kind of a level playing field for both buyer and seller. Right now, the seller's got the advantage, big time. And I don't anticipate a major bubble anytime soon, but, markets go up and markets go down. Definitely on the statewide level, we're seeing a little bit more softening statewide than we actually are in the Plymouth market. I'll be recording my statewide market update later today. But the Plymouth market seems to be just a little bit stronger than the numbers that we're seeing statewide. But overall, sellers pro seller market. Buyers, you got to move fast, and you've got to understand the pricing psychology. The list price is usually the opening bid. Hey, I'm Jack Gately from Jack Gately Real Estate. Thanks for watching.